Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to perform an activity that is coin observing well. To perform this activity, we need two glass, two coins and some water. Take one coin and put inside the glass. Take another coin, put under the glass. Now fill both glass with water. The magic is done. In this glass, the coin is visible, but in this glass, coin is disappeared. Why? Why this is happening? This is because of refraction of light. In both cases, path of light is same except the case when the coin is under the glass, the light has to go from air to glass and then inside the water. Because the coin is under the glass, the refractive index of air is much less than that of the glass. The light completely bent around the coin and we cannot see it. If we change the viewing angle and come top of the glass, we might actually be able to see the coin, and this is the science behind the coin observing well activity. Thank you. Have a great day. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.